everybody. I'm sorry about that, but my mummy's camera just didn't get any focus. So, but by the way, this is the next padlock we're going to be filming. The heavyweight padlock, but it's not really heavy to me anymore. This one is, but we filmed that one in part 1. So now I have to. So you can see that there is no black stuff in that one, but this Judy one has. That one was in part 2, but this one is part 3. So close up. Oh, it's a bit heavy, so I'm gonna do it on the heater somehow. Hold on. So it'll be better if I just do it on the table. On space. Oh, that's hard enough to get in there, so this combination doesn't actually work out very well. But it's a funny shape. Oh, I think my hamster's out now. Oh, but I can hear a wee noise though. Right, one of our hamsters is out and she's called Biffle.
No, I'm not filming Biffle, but our water's just too far down. Hold on a wee second.
I know. Why? Why aren't you filming Biffle?
She's shy today.
Oh, is she? Okay, now. There she is. That's Biffle. Isn't she cute? Now we'll just return to the padlocks. So, this is the next padlock we're going to be filming. The wasp padlock. That's what I call it, the wasp padlock, because it's coloured like a wasp.
I can't see the keyhole.
But here's the keyhole anyway. It has a wee hidey part for it, and here is the keyhole. See the wee golden part in there? That's the keyhole, and here's the keys. Oops, I dropped it. You might find that quite funny. And there's 3 keys. It's turned up. Look, black stuff. And there's some silver. Let me see if it closes outside the lock. Oh, it does. But to unlock it again, simply turn the key. And it unlocks. Oh, that's hard. Right, this is another job. I have to try and do it on the heater first. Hold on a little second. Might work on the heater. Yes, it worked. There we go. Set it back on its space. But next up we have a master cutaway padlock. But I'm not really sure where the keys are, so I'm just going to leave it there. By the way, we'll move on to this next one. By the way, you can see some cutaway stuff in there. But if I had the keys, I'll show you, but I don't have the keys, so I'm so sorry.
Should have the keys? The keys were there earlier.
The keys were? Sorry, guys. Anyone watching this, do you see the keys anywhere? I can't find them. Don't worry, we'll move on to this one with a giant shackle. There we go. Now, twist on its side slow. Let's do the slow motion first. And it unlocks. Now we'll do the fast motion. See? Pretty cool. Now the next one is a big silver lock. I used to call them US locks, but they look like them. But they aren't really US.
This will have to be the last one for this part.
Yeah, only part 4. Okay. Now this is the last lock before part 4. So do it in slow motion first. Aha! But the shackle isn't as big as the master logo. See? Taller. And this one's a bit thicker, and the one is thinner. But I dropped the keys because it keeps on falling out of the keyhole. Hold on just a little second. I'm back. locked anyway, because you can see the locking lever. You're going to see the locking lever. So let me just... So here's the locking lever. Look inside the hole there. Oh, the shackle keeps moving into the way. See the locking lever? Oh, there goes the shackle again. By the way, that's enough filming for now. So, I guess it's time to say our goodbyes now.